Hi, let's talk about the model called the Johari Window. It's all about really understanding what others know about me and what do I know about myself. So it's really a game of adjectives. You could play it yourself or with a partner, a friend, a colleague. The Johari Window is basically 4 boxes that you are coming up. The first box, what I know about myself and like and I'm revealing to others. Second box, what I don't know about myself but others do know. Third box, what I know about myself but conceal from others. And the fourth box, what I don't know about myself and others also don't know. So, known to others, unknown to others, known to me, not known to me. Basically, try to come up with any adjectives about yourself and then try to put those adjectives like funny, smart, dull, I don't know, anything that you want to come up and put those adjectives into these different boxes. And then maybe you could ask your partner, your friend, your colleague, your spouse, what do they think about you? And get the adjectives from them. It could be quite an interesting exercise, and you may find out some things how people perceive you in there. So put those adjectives again into those 4 boxes and try to think about yourself and how others see you.